Vivo launched two new smartphones under V series in India called Vivo V40 and Vivo V40 Pro. Both of this device looks quite identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Vivo V40 Pro is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Vivo V40 Pro smartphone. The Vivo V40 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G715MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V40 Pro sports a Zeiss-branded triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX921 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view, along with the another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 80 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also comes with a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.58 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V40 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 49,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 55,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Ganges blue and titanium gray color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from August 13th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V40 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.